Hello Professor and classmates, we are Group 3. Our topic is computer-based teaching. Our group members are Wu Jiangnan, Mantian, Sangdan, and Benju, and I'll begin our share. The first part is computers in education. Education management tools utilize technology to streamline administrative, academic, and communication tasks in schools and institutions. Teaching and learning tools support both tutors and duties by enhancing engagement, understanding, and celebration. Research tools are software platforms and techniques that assessment is conducting, managing, and analyzing research effectively. The second part is serials supporting PBK. The first serial is cognitive serial, focuses on how people acquire, process, store, and use information. It implies internal mental process like material perception, problem solving, and attention, rather than just external behaviors. Learning is seen as an active process where learners construct knowledge based on their experience and prior understanding. The second serial is constructivism serial. Learners actively construct their own knowledge through experience and interactions, rather than passively receiving information. It focuses on understanding concepts through exploration, celebration, and real-world applications.
Now, let's talk about the contextual serial. It focuses on learning in real life. It shows that linking what we learn to our daily use is very important. Practical experience help learners understand things better. When students experience things in real life, they can understand and remember knowledge more easily. Next is connectivism serial. It highlights the importance of networks, technology, and connection in learning. Learning isn't just about getting knowledge, it's about connecting different information, people, and researchers. For example, when we search for info online, we connected different ideas, and that's part of learning. Finally, the social learning serial. It says people learn by watching and copying others. When we see someone get a reward for what they do, we may learn from them. Understanding those serials help us make better strategies for computer-based teaching. They are the basis for making PBK work in education, so we can teach and learn better.
I will introduce the applicability of computers to PBK. First, can manipulate images. We can edit and process the images. Computers can use a variety of software to edit images, such as Photoshop. Users can cut the images and so on to make the photos more beautiful. We can also conduct image recognition and analysis. Second, produce and record sound. The first is audio production. We can clip, mix the voice iteration for devices such as smart speakers and mobile voice assistants. Third, store retrieve Weibo and numerical information database management such as MySQL, Oracle. Document management such as Word documents, PDF files. Fourth, know the time. System time management. There is a clock chip inside the computer to record the time and date. To users that various applications get accurate time information. Time synchronization to ensure the accurate record of computer time. The network time protocol is usually synchronized with the time server on the internet. Fifth, performance analytic functions involve scientific computing and data analysis. Program and algorithms implementation. 6. Control external devices involve hardware devices control, smart home control, such as smart door lock. PBK approaches. Draw. Truly is a way to strengthen knowledge and skill through repeated practice. Problem-solving method focus and guiding to fast practice and use exciting knowledge and skill to analyze problems, propose solutions, implement them. Education game is a learning method that combines educational content with game elements. Tutorial is a systematic step-by-step guiding learning method. Simulation is create a virtual environment or situation, reproducing a system or process in the real world as truly as possible. Implementation of PBK in class, pre-interactive level. In this stage, the focus is on preparation and planning. The teacher introduces the problem and sets clear learning goals for the students. The context and scope of the problem are presented, and students are organized into groups and assigned roles. Interactive level. During the interactive level, students actively work in groups to analyze the problem. They engage in research discussions and critical thinking as they to develop solutions. Post-interactive level. The post-interactive level focuses on reflection and evaluation. Students present their solutions and findings to the class, reflecting on both the learning process and the outcomes.
To you, application suitable for PBK, problem-based learning. 1. Interactive quiz and assessments. Through tests and assessments, students can test their learning level. 2. Create interesting quiz and surveys. It can increase students' interest and participation and help students better understand and remember knowledge points. 3. Students can participate in real time. Students can participate in discussion and activity instantly to improve classroom interactivity. 4. Game-like environment to keep learners engaged. Use gamified learning tools to stimulate students' learning motivation. 5. Provide intent feedback to students and teachers. Students can quickly understand their performance, and students can also adapt to teaching strategies in time. Let's talk about advantage of PBK. 1. Learning knowledge faster. Problem-based learning can promote the observation and understanding of knowledge. 2. Provide, store, and copy information. With the digital tools, students can easier obtain, store, and share learning resources. Third, ability to activity interact. Through group discussion, project collaboration, and other tools, improve students' social skill and teamwork ability. 4. Flexibility in learning. Students can choose learning content and measures according to their interest and learning pace. 5. Multimedia information presentation. Use multimedia forms such as video, audio, animation to make learning content more interesting. 6. Stimulate creativity. PBK encourage students to ask a question, solve problem, and thinking and creativity. 7. Teachers act as facilitators. In PBK, the role of teachers changes to guide and facilitators of learning. The last part, let's take a look at factor of the lack of use PBK in school. First, less exposure. Due to lack of understanding of PBK, some teachers and students may be reluctant to try it. The second, doubts about ability and activeness. Some people worry that it cannot achieve the experience and teaching activity. Third, lack of precious knowledge. PBK requires teachers to have certain performation knowledge and skills. Some teachers may lack these abilities. The last one, financial problems. PBK requires financial support, such as application software, training teachers, and some schools may face financial difficulties. That's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.